So we bought these snap pads off of Amazon that we're going to put underneath our 9-inch hydraulic jacks, so in the future we don't have to use any blocking. Everything I've read the reviews, everything looks great. So we already put the front ones on, as you can see, and it's simple enough to put on. More designed to be done on a concrete pad.
Hold it.
As I said, it's probably better to do it on a flat surface versus a grass yard where we've already been parked for a while.
Hold it. Come on up on it.
I can bring the other one up first. That's not gonna just go down in?
No, it's too far over. All right, now do it. Just a little inch. Fantastic. Went in really well. How about that one?
Yeah, the angle's killing it a little bit.
I think it will do it though. Go ahead.
Go in.
Kinda sorta. It's not in real tight on this one.
Make up for the unlevel ground.
Yeah, right in now.
Yep. Go. You want to grab that backboard?
Good job.
That's all there was to it. We put all 6 pads on. Took us less than 10 minutes to get them all on. Most of that was just lining it up and then, of course, dealing with all the jacks, the left side, the right side, and playing with the uneven ground. But that's all it was. Those snap pads are pretty cool. They're supposed to stay on forever and hold up to like a 50G force. So we should be all set. Not to put any more blocks down.